Who in the Attorney General's office in a position of responsibility did you consistently have your contact with?
The only person I reported to was Mr. Paxton at his direction.
Testimony from that young attorney hired by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton dominated the impeachment trial on day 6. And joining me to talk about it, our very own Shaun Rabb, who has been very closely following this whole entire trial. Let's start with this guy, with this young attorney, Brandon Kammack. His testimony really important as senators are weighing the 5th article of impeachment that accuses Paxton of using his office, hiring him to investigate this baseless complaint made by Paxton's real estate friend, developer, Nate Paul. I was listening to this yesterday. I thought, well, this sounds like a red flag to me, because apparently the lawyer is saying that the only way that Paxton wanted to communicate with him was through an app. Didn't want to talk on email, didn't want to talk on text, didn't pass over a business card or anything, said he only wanted to communicate on this app. I don't know. In my mind, it doesn't matter which side you're on. That just sounded a little shady.
Well, and that started around the middle of September as Brandon Kammack was getting information, getting documents, emailing those to Paxton. In a phone conversation, Paxton said, download the Signal app and start communicating, sending me things that way. Not only that, but Mr. Kammack got a separate cell phone just for the Attorney General to call him on, because he didn't want to miss the calls. Understand, he thought this was the opportunity of his young career to work with and for the Attorney General of the great state of Texas.
Former Deputy Attorney General Darren McCarthy, one of the 8 whistleblowers, was the final witness of the day yesterday. What did that reveal?
So he talked really about the investigation into the Mitty Foundation, this nonprofit that had invested into Nate Paul's business developments. And he talked about, once this case was moving forward, that Nate Paul's demeanor towards the office of the Attorney General changed, and he talked down to employees as if he was the one in control.
Nate Paul was the one in control of the Attorney General's office.
Yes, and he was saying, look, we don't get involved in a situation like this for that individual, but for the foundation, to protect the foundation. But he talked to us like we were working for him.
You have covered so many trials over the years. I mean, how long have you been here at Fox for?
Since 1990.
Okay. Has anything surprised you about this trial, I guess? I mean, it's a trial, but yet it's, with lawmakers.
No, it is a trial, political in nature. Understand, nothing surprises. I mean, you never know what you're going to hear. When you're at a trial like this, I compared it to a capital murder trial because everything is on the line. Your attorneys never sleep during a cap murder case. And in a situation like this, everything is on the line for Attorney General Ken Paxton. You bring to bear everything you have, which is what the House managers, through their prosecuting attorneys, have done. Now, today, we begin to hear from Paxton's defense. We hear his witnesses today. They say that all of this is based on assumptions and not facts, and they're going to prove that.
Okay. Supposed to wrap up this week, right?
Supposed to. No, the clock is running. And Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick has, with the help of Dallas County Judge and former jurist Lana Myers, has done a great job at keeping the court, if you will, as best he could. But the clock is running, so they will run out of time to give testimony. Yeah.
Thank you for your coverage. We really appreciate it. You can watch the live stream on fox4news.com, Fox 4 YouTube page, and when we're not in a newscast, on Fox Local as well. That's our streaming channel on Apple TV, Roku, Android, Amazon Fire, and as always, follow Shaun Rabb as well. Thank you so much. We'll be right back.